In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could dash upward here in Blox Fruits. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you may notice when you're playing Blox Fruits that there's not a direct upward dash button, but you can move up using a combo. Essentially what you need to do is use sky jumps by pressing your jump button multiple times. You can actually jump several times in the air depending on your energy itself. So as you can see, when I do a jump, it drains my energy a little bit. Essentially what you need to do is just consistently keep jumping because you're going to be able to keep using that energy until you get up higher. Now of course, go ahead and jump up as high as you possibly can, and then once you're there, use your dash in midair and you'll go ahead and dash upward. This gives you extra height and extra distance as well. If you have flashed up, you can also directly dash upward, which is pretty cool. Just aim your camera slightly upward and use the dash to move in that direction. For example, again, we slightly move upward in that direction. It really is as simple as that though. If you combine sky jumps and dash, you'll gain height quickly, but that is the easiest way to dash upward here in Blox Fruits. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.